What do I do when I'm engaged in conversation? I show my passion for being an inspector and I add value. And my whole goal with Daryl or anybody who is landing on my website and I'm chatting with them, my whole goal is to overwhelm them with value because they're going to compare that with the cost. What is the cost of getting this information from Big Ben Inspections? $299, $300, $400 or something for a home inspection. And if you could overwhelm that client with value, that's your goal. If the value that you provide to your client is overwhelming in comparison to the cost, then that is a good decision. That is a great strategy. That is a great marketing strategy. That is the whole goal of your business. So overwhelm clients with value and have it very low cost to get that information. Yeah.